In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TradingView password and recover your account, ensuring that you're back on track in no time. Whether you've forgotten your password or you're simply having trouble signing in, I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve these issues swiftly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView.com. This is your starting point for managing your account settings and accessing the password recovery process. Once you've arrived on the home page, look for the Get Started button. It should be prominently displayed, and clicking it will lead you to the login screen. Now that you're at the login screen, you might notice various options, but for the purpose of resetting your password, you need to focus on the Sign Up and Sign In options. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will bring you to a page where you can choose your sign-in method. For today, we're focusing on the email option, so go ahead and click on Email. Once you are at the email sign-in page, you'll see an option that says, I forgot my password or can't sign in. Click this option to begin the password recovery process. It's a common step for anyone who's temporarily misplaced or forgotten their password, and it's straightforward to follow. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address, username, or any other identifying details associated with your TradingView account. Be sure to input this information accurately, as it's crucial for the system to locate your account details without hiccups. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on Search. TradingView will then process your request. If everything checks out, they will send a message to the email address or phone number you provided. This message will contain instructions or a link to reset your password. Keep an eye on your inbox, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folder, just in case the message gets filtered there by mistake. Once you receive the message from TradingView, follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access to your account. These instructions usually involve clicking on a link that directs you to a secure page where you can set a new password. Typically, you'll be asked to choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure strong security. After successfully resetting your password, you should now be able to log back into your TradingView account with your new credentials. And there you have it. You've just completed the process of resetting your TradingView password and recovering your account, ready to resume your trading activities with ease. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a refresher on this process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.